Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. So this video, making the intro super quick because I need to be on my way to class right now. But this video, I decided that I wanted to bring out along with me for like a couple days. So I think this is gonna be like point of view, you're my camera for 2 days. Really not much going on. I just saw this one yesterday when I was actually doing something. Because like these 2 days, I'm not really doing much, I'd say, but we're just gonna see where this takes me. I want it to be like, Paul, you're a bison for today, but maybe not, because there isn't much going on. And if you guys are a bison, I want you guys to have like that full experience for 2 days. So I don't know. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Let's get into this video. Yo, this is so ghetto. I'm trying to look up, I may not be able to see, I'm trying to look up my homework.
She trying to tan right now, you in her way. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Of the sun.
Of the sun, yeah.
I'm ready. You know those tan sessions? Yeah.
Okay.
Love it. That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks, and she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own car. She don't need no bitch in the strip club. No, my girl gon' flip. Now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. Best friend, you the baddest and you know it. Oh, girl, I think I booty growing. Look it up, and I'm never hit the posing. Best friends and you motherfucking growing. Best friends and your business like it's closing. Oh, girl, I think I booty growing. Look it up, and I'm never hit the posing. Best friend, you my motherfucking slow. That my best friend. She a
Brooklyn, say hi, Brooklyn.
Hi.
Yo, we about to go to the cafeteria.
Also, me and Olivia were just talking about white girl Olivia. Yeah,
Yo, look at how pretty the yard is. Oh, look at Founders, so pretty. Yo, what am I really gonna eat at home? Like, For lunchtime, I hate cooking because
it's in the middle. Like, who wants to do all that?
I know, who wants to do all that work to cook? Like, I just want to eat when it's time for me to eat. And I can't do that today. Like, that's what's really getting me. That line was really ridiculous. Like, I wish I really saw what that line was like, because that was a shame.
It was ridiculous.
A shame. It's not even Thursday. This is Wednesday. And if they out there for them tacos is not even that great. Not this year. I know they put in them last year. They made them so fantastic. But this year, they're not hitting them, nothing. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back to my dorm, because y'all don't want to hear me complain about how long them lines were, so I ain't got nothing else to say. Hey y'all, so I've been back in my dorm for a little bit now. I just made some chicken nuggets, and I'm about to put these fries. I'm about to put these fries in the air fryer. These are a little bit more complicated. You gotta, is this to preheat it? We're not doing that. And this is to place it in a single layer, heat for 4 minutes, remove it, and then heat again for another 4 minutes. That's doing a lot. So I couldn't make as many because it's a smaller air fryer, so I mean, I think it should really honestly be okay. Tonight we're gonna cook spaghetti. If I can get it together, we'll cook it tonight. So that's exciting. For the first time I made tacos. Yo, it's not cooking no more. I don't know what it just did, but now it won't even cook. So I'm gonna definitely catch back with y'all, because I don't know what I just did. I'm about to go to Whole Foods. I have no energy. My feet hurt so bad. I have literally no energy to do anything right now. So the fact that I can get on this camera and say something is amazing. Yo, how did I get on the elevator going up and I could have sworn it said it was going down? It's so embarrassing. And I got on like I had so much authority. No authority, babes. But I'm about to go to Whole Foods because I'm about to make some dinner like I told y'all, and I gotta go.
The next day.
Good morning, y'all. Y'all, I need to have a little place to talk to y'all because that background ain't gonna get no better anytime soon. Today is Thursday. It's Soul Food Thursday. I have clothes on, kind of, so don't do too much. But I wanted to get on this camera because y'all will be coming around with me today. But my camera is about to die, so I want to charge that before I go out to class. Hopefully we can get a little bit of battery. I don't really know, but today's Soul Food Thursday. And I'm not gonna be able to eat soul food until 4 o'clock. So OD because I have class from 11 to 2. Yeah, I have class from 11 to 2 back to back, so I'm not gonna be able to have lunch. I'm gonna have to have dinner today before my health class, and that's about it. So I'm gonna get dressed. Y'all have basically seen me get dressed, nothing really to it. I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna catch back with y'all. Probably gonna make some breakfast because I'm kind of hungry if I can't eat lunch today, so we'll see.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Legs too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you gotta pay it, now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you, yeah, I'm looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. You the quick 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, in the back, in the birthday. No, not a product with the birthday. Thousand dollars, never miles from me, baby. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. And I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Girl, be more You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Alright, y'all, so I want to give y'all a quick OOTD. Louis bag, brown dress from Rainbow, Michael Kors slides. Yeah, Michael Kors slides, hair. And that's that. I am on my way to class right now because I just have a really strong feeling that I'm gonna be lost because this teacher has literally no communication with us, and at this point I don't even know if I want to take this class anymore because of the lack of communication with your students. And we have quizzes and there's no communication. Like, I don't know if I want to take this class. Y'all, look at my sign. Please don't play with her. Big Lisa, not the little one. Like, this whole little area, focus. This whole area is gonna come together. It's gonna be so cute. This is kind of like my little YouTube area, sit down area. It's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited to put it together. I just left Whole Foods, and we need to talk about this because this is gonna be a big problem. Me going to Whole Foods is gonna be a big problem because I'm gonna continue to go there and spend my money when I need to be going to Target or Giant, something cheaper than Whole Foods, because Whole Foods is expensive. Like, I think a vanilla was like $4. Vanilla? The prices for vanilla was really OD. I was like in shock. But my sign is so cute. yeah, get into it when I post this little dorm tour. Just we gonna get into it for real, because I'm gonna link everything where I got it from and all that yada yada. So dinner tonight is French toast and bacon, because I gotta use up my bacon, and that's it. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I start cooking, because it's just not gonna be right now. I think I might have to go out and do something, but when I do it, y'all will know.
The next day.
Alright y'all, a quick OOTD. I have this shirt that I cut up from Howard. Pants, Fashion Nova. Bags, Hellfire. Shoes, Run Forces. Today is called First Friday, so really it's just a lot of activities going on the yard around campus that happen normally during the day, like from like 12 to 2, stuff like that. So I'm gonna participate because my class gets out at 11, so I'm gonna have time to do all that, and I'm also gonna try to edit as much as I can so the video can get out today. This video can get out today by 6. So yeah, so that's the Fitbit today. And I got my big blinks on and my edges, whatnot. I was gonna put makeup on, but don't have time for that, and I'll catch y'all later.
I'll have to confirm. What if you're like not here?
And I'm like, y'all, I don't even know what that was, but they had cute stickers. They did. Everybody go to the yard because it's not like I need any clothes, but I just want to check it out. Me personally, I mean, that's a cool one. And they had a Howard one.
I got only the black one you had in your hand.
Yeah, that was a nice one.
No,
The other one. Yeah.
That's a small medium.
It is. The side and the front patch as well as filled with it. Yeah, when I say I'm tired, there is no... Okay, Brooklyn. How about you just vanish out of thin air? When I say I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Now, today's been a couple confusing hours, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I feel like there's so much going on the campus right now that I just don't even know what's going on, honestly. But I got a shirt for $5. It says the Golden State Warriors. And I'm gonna cut it up and make it look cute so I can wear it. Probably with this blue bag because I don't have a yellow purse. I didn't bring a yellow purse. But I love cutting up a good shirt. Hey y'all, it's been a few hours later. Don't mind my lashes, I feel like they look a little wonky. Maybe that's me, I don't know. But I've been in my bed editing and watching YouTube. I was gonna record later on today, but I feel like there really is no need because I don't know what I'm doing later on today. So I basically wanted to show y'all First Friday, and I showed y'all a little bit. It was really a lot going on campus. Like it was really hot and there was too many people. So hopefully I showed y'all a little bit, but basically they just had vendors down near HSL, and then they have vendors on the yard. I got a $5 t-shirt that I'm gonna cut up because it's like the Warriors, and I'm not gonna wear a t-shirt like regular, so I'm gonna cut it up like I have this t-shirt, but do it a little bit differently. And what else? Went to the cafeteria. That was a mess because they were giving out wristbands to see the fraternities and sorority stroll, but I was trying to go to the cafeteria, so that was crazy. But we eventually figured out which line was which, and that was about it. We went back to the dorm. I've been sitting here for maybe like an hour or so now, but I was supposed to have plans to go to a party tonight, but that went down the drain because they changed the location to an hour away from Howard. So I'm not spending money on an Uber to go to a party in Bowie, Maryland. Like I don't even go to, what is in Bowie, Maryland? I feel like it's Morgan State or something like that. That's just too far. So I don't really know what we're doing tonight. If it really is no plan, then I will be in this bed chilling because I don't mind doing that. And I was gonna record me getting my food from this girl, has a business on campus. She does food and stuff like that. I was gonna record that and show you guys what I got, but it's soul food, and y'all have seen soul food multiple times that you guys should just know. Like I got chicken, mac and cheese, and yams, like simple. So I'm not gonna record that. And then if I was gonna go do a party tonight, it would have been like some choppy get ready with me, so y'all don't want to say that either. Just gonna end it here because I showed y'all what I wanted y'all to see. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please give it a like, video, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications because I've been open on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, thanks for watching, Lisa babes.